I'm Tomas.
And I'm Janna.
And welcome to Bench Buzz.
Today we'll be looking at the new S3 cell sorter from Bio-Rad. Word on the street is it's a game changer.
Bah! It all comes down to having a good flow core operator. That's what it takes to get the job done.
Easy, Tiger. Let's put the S3 through its paces and see what it's all about.
Small footprint. Completely internalized fluidics. Two-way sort collection. Built-in temperature control system. Cool loading stage.
I know, right? And check out its intuitive interface. So anyway, I set up an experiment that will let us see the S3 in action. Basically, we'll both run the same 4-color cell sort, but on different systems. You've been doing this a while, Tomas. Do you want to use your normal system or try the S3?
I think I'll stick with what I know.
All right, let's meet back here in 2 hours and compare notes.
Boom!
That was fun.
Huh? What are you so happy about?
Oh, nothing. Just nice little features like automated setup and automated droplet monitoring, which means there's almost no learning curve and I don't need to babysit my experiment. That's all.
Whatever. That experiment was nothing compared to what most labs have to handle. I'm talking 15-color, 5 laser sorts, yo.
Totally valid point. But from what I understand, the S3 isn't meant to replace labs' existing systems. Instead, it complements them and frees them up to do bigger jobs by handling what you might call everyday experiments.
That actually makes sense. 50 to 80% of most cell sort jobs are 2 to 4 color sorts, which means... Yes, but at the end of the day, nothing speaks louder than results.
I couldn't agree more. Here you go, Professor. The S3 scorecard.
Sensitivity. High purity. Everyone knows cell sorting is an expensive proposition. How does the S3 stack up cost-wise?
Good question, Tomas. You are on fire. Let's talk a little TCO, aka total cost of ownership. For starters, the S3 has a low purchase price relative to traditional cell sorters. We're talking more than $100K difference. So let's say this represents your lab's overall budget. Investing in another traditional cell sorter is a serious chunk of change. On the other hand, going with the S3 leaves a lot more of the budgetary pie to go around.
I do love pie.
Moving right along. This is your average flow core operator. Highly knowledgeable, well-trained, and ambitious. These guys don't come cheap.
I think I know that guy.
Focus, Grasshopper. Now you saw how easy it was for me to use the S3. It was walk up and walk away. Think about it. You can increase billable hours for your flow core without increasing headcount. In other words, maximize efficiency while chalking up some serious savings.
Seriously. What's the last chart for?
This is my beautiful baby boy, Salty. Isn't he adorable? Come on, Tomas, admit it.
The all-new S3 cell sorter from Bio-Rad. Now you know the score.